Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a creeper from the Minecraft movie. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft movie creeper, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of make it look a little bumpy and pointed so that it kind of looks like it's almost made out of the grass. Next, I'm going to curve this down using some more of those points. I'm going to do that on both sides. And then I'm just going to kind of bring this line down on each side, making it bumpy and wiggly so we can add that texture. Next, I'm going to curve in on the sides, or the corners here, and making these little points come across here. Next, for the eyes, let's begin by making a line that's going to go down, over, up, and then over in a square shape. And then same thing here, down, over, up, and over in a square shape. We'll go up, over, and down. We'll go over on each side. We're going to bring this down and in, then up, over, and then down. Next, I'm going to make some more kind of pointed lines that come down on each side. Give it more of that texture. Then right here, we're going to bring this line out with a curve and then down to about here. We'll leave some space and we'll do that same thing, kind of come down. We'll bring this line over. We're going to come up and then bring it up to here. Then let's make a couple little sad faces for the toes. I'll make some little broken lines above the toes. Now right here, we're going to make some more of these pointed lines. They're going to come up and then down to here. Then we're going to make a little line that just curves around and then comes up to here. Let's bring this line up. Then we're going to bring this into here, and then this line across. Then we'll make the toes again. We'll go up and down, and then a small one here. Then some more curves. I'm going to do one little line that goes over and up for that back leg. And then we're going to go down, over, and then up. We'll make the toes, and then the little lines. Then we're just going to make some little kind of broken lines on the sides here, kind of around the edges of our creeper. And we're just kind of putting these all around just to kind of make it look like it's got some detail on here. You can make some of them kind of like pointed. I'm even going to put some lines kind of right around the face and the eyes and everything. And even the mouth too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft movie creeper. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.